GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you have a link says swing like a pro. So click on that link, come to this page where you can check out all these setups which we have taken in the recent past. And you can join these programs to trade with me. So you can also book consultation. You can speak with me one-to-one. And you can check out the brokers and join my free Telegram for sure. So let's get back to my chart where we can do the top down approach starting with weekly time frame. Weekly we are above the EMA. Daily I think we have just closed above the EMAs. So we have this lower wick and closed above the EMA. So we might go up in 4 hour. In 4 hour we already have created the new high. So this was your previous BOS which has been taken. So we are looking for longs after the pullback. Okay, pullback will happen, I guess. This previous high is broken by this candle, as you can see. So we'll have to just wait and watch. So this is again your new high. If this high breaks, we will have to look for longs. And if you want to be very sure, then wait for this one. Okay, if this high breaks, then your price will also close above the EMI. So this is your uptrend pullback, new high. So you know what it means. And also in daily we have rejection. So I would wait and watch and probably look for longs. Okay, so wait and watch and see how it goes. Look for longs, and this is the new trend. But if the rejection comes from the EMA hard, if the hard bearish candle comes, then we might go down. But as I said, this is your uptrend starting, new uptrend starting. All right, if you want to enter and exit with me, then check out this Swing Like a Pro program and subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.